Students, now we are going to see the second problem. Consider 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 at rest as shown in the figure. Consider 2-point charges, that is Q1 and Q2 at rest as shown in the figure. They are separated by a distance of 1 meter. So the distance between the first charge and the second charge is given here 1 meter. What they asked, calculate the force experienced by two charges for the following cases. We have to calculate force only, but they are given as 3 cases. What is first case? Q1 is given as plus 2 microcoulomb and Q2 plus 3 microcoulomb, and second case same value but Q2 is negative charge, and third case Q1 is plus 2 microcoulomb and Q2 is minus 3 microcoulomb, but it is kept in water. That epsilon R equal to 80. Epsilon R is nothing but relative permittivity. That value is given as 80. Now we are going to see the first case. See the diagram of first case. Okay, see the diagram. First case, how we are see here first Q1 and the charge second one is Q2 is given. Both are given in x direction. First charge Q1 and second charge Q2. What is the first value for Q1? It is plus 2 microcoulomb, and Q2 is given as plus 3 microcoulomb. The distance between, see here this Q1 and Q2, the distance between these two charges, that only R, it is given as 1 meter. Here both this Q1 and Q2, these two charges are given as positive charges. So that force will be repulsive. Force will be repulsive. First we have to find out the force experienced by the charge Q2 due to Q1. So that only we write the formula F21 vector. F21 vector equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square into R cap 1 2. This formula already see in the video of Coulomb's law. That video it is given as important aspects of Coulomb's law. In that also it is given. So this R cap, it is a unit vector. It is passes from Q1 to Q2. R cap is unit vector. It is the direction is Q1 to Q2. It is given in the x direction, so that we taken it as I cap. If it is given in y direction means we can take it as j cap. So that R unit vector equal to I cap. Now we are substituting the values. F vector, F21 vector equal to 9 into 10 power 9. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That is a constant value. That value is 9 into 10 power 9. And micro means 10 power minus 6. So that only first one is 9 into 10 power 9. This is for 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And first charge Q1, that is plus 2 microcoulomb. So 2 into 10 power minus 6. And the second charge Q2 is plus 3 microcoulomb. That is 3 into 10 power minus 6 divided by R value is 1. So it is 1 square into, instead of this unit vector, we are writing here I cap. Now we are finding out 9 into 2, 18. 18 3s are 54. So 54 into 10 power minus sign, and this is plus sign. So I write here like this way. Now F vector is F21 vector is 54 into 10 power minus 3 Newton I cap. Newton is the unit for force. If we find out F21 vector, What is the Newton's third law? According to Newton's third law, we can write F12 force, that is F12 vector is equal to minus of F21 vector. So without calculating, we can find out this value from this to 1, but sign only changed. So that minus 54 into 10 power minus 3 Newton I vector, I cap. This is first F21 is force experienced by charge Q2 due to Q1. But this F12, this is force experienced by Q1 due to Q2. Next, this F1 and F2, this from the diagram, we can see the direction also. See, F1 is this side, that is negative side, and this one is positive side, F21. So from the diagram also we can find out the direction of forces 21 and F12. Next we are going to the second case. Second case diagram, see the second case diagram. So it is given as this way. What is given here? Q1 and Q2, but both forces here not the same charges. Q1 is positive and Q2 is negative charge. So first Q1 is plus 2 microcoulomb and Q2 is minus 3 microcoulomb. The distance is same as in the previous case. Here both the charges are unlike charges. One is positive and another one is negative. So they are attractive forces. These two are attractive forces. The next one is, here also from the first way, we are going to find out the force experienced by the charge due to Q2 due to Q1. Same formula we are substituting, there also similar way, but the value of Q2 only changed here as minus. So how we are calculating again? 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 3, minus 54. That is F21 here is minus 54 into 10 power minus 3 Newton. And according to Newton's third law, similar way we are substituting F12 vector equal to minus F21 vector. So force experienced by Q1 due to Q2, that is F12 vector is negative value of this F21, that is plus 54 into 10 power minus 3 Newton I cap. The third case, that is third case, see the diagram here. Both are also, these two charges are kept in water medium. First two cases we saw that are kept in, that medium is not mentioned. But this third case, both charges are kept in the water medium. Force experienced by Q2 due to Q1. Here also the same formula we are going to substitute. But if when we are writing force 21, that is the F vector 21, there we have to write it is W for water medium. And the formula is some changes there. 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q1 Q2 by R square into R12 cap. Here water medium is given. So that only that formula changes as 1 by 4 pi epsilon instead of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is epsilon and epsilon naught? Epsilon are, see here, epsilon is medium of permittivity. Epsilon naught is medium of permittivity of vacuum or air. Epsilon R is relative permittivity. This relative permittivity value for air or vacuum is always that value 1. If we are taking other medium, that value is greater than 1. Here we are taking water medium and the value of epsilon R is given in the question itself 80. Now we are going to calculate the force experienced by Q2. That is F21 vector. So instead of this epsilon, we are substituting here epsilon R into epsilon naught. This formula if you go through that important aspects of Coulomb's law, I hope you go through that already, I think. So you know this one. So we are substituting here 1 by 4 pi epsilon r into epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square into r cap 1 2. So except this epsilon r remaining fully, except this epsilon r remaining full value already we find out in that first case, that is f21 vector. So that f21 vector divided by epsilon r. What is f21 vector? That only minus 54 into 10 power minus 3 Newton. Substituting that value divided by 80. How to divide this one? 54 by 80. See here, 54 not possible, so 0 point, adding 1 0. 6 8s are 40, 4 80, balance 60, again adding 1 0, 7, 7 8s are 56, so 560, balance 40, adding again 1 0, 5, 5 8s are 400. So we are calculating this way with minus symbol. F21 vector in water medium is minus 0.675 into 10 power minus 3 Newton I cap. Again, if we want to calculate F12, that is force experienced by Q1 due to Q2, that value is negative of F21. So simply without substituting, I write the value plus 0.675 into 10 power minus 3 Newton I cap. This force value, see that first case, second case and third case, force value is very smaller when we are comparing in air and vacuum medium. In water, this value is small. Force value is smaller comparing to air or vacuum medium. Thank you.